Cat Id Paws daily combo. Alright, so let's head to the tax section and claim our daily rewards before we proceed to other things. So come here and click on claim to claim our daily rewards for today. And as usual, like I used to say, you can come here and perform some of these tasks to be able to get more rewards for yourself. That is at your own free time. Right now, let's head to the zone tab and begin to pick our cards one after the other. So the first card for today is Gamma, then followed by Gandhi, the one right beside it. Okay, and the last card for today is under Office, and that is Pinterest Office. So Pinterest Office, I'll click on Pinterest Office, and that makes our 3 combos for today. So I claim my rewards. Please don't forget that for you to be able to actually swap your tokens in this season 5, you need to have, when you click on this airdrop option here, you need to have all these 5 criteria met. You must have met all these 5 criteria before you can do that. So number 1 is connect your wallet, being pro level 7 upward, have 5 referral, your card must be to level 10, all to level 10, and you must have 1 NFT.